Good morning. Hey, this is Pam Geyer. I just wanted to give you a boost today. It is day one of the Best Life Challenge 2014. I have my wake up face. I haven't done anything. I've actually been up since 5:30 this morning, but I wanted to specifically record this morning because before we start our regimen of a best life, we might be feeling sluggish, we might be feeling whatever it is, especially after the holidays. Many of us are feeling this way, kind of just weighed down from just either eating too much or just a heavy social calendar, whatever it is. I know many of you are feeling that way, and the great news is it's January. It's time to really take great care of you. So I want to congratulate you on deciding today to live your best life, deciding to do the cleanse with us. And the cleanse is Arbonne's 28-day cleanse. It's really great. It's vegan, organic, and it's going to give you a boost of energy. But I know even if you're not on the products, just eating clean and eliminating various things is going to make you feel so incredibly great. So I want to encourage everybody to live their best life, whether or not you're on Arbonne products or not. So I just wanted to take this opportunity this morning to cheer you on that you've got this. And remember, this is not a diet. Diet to me is deprivation, and none of us want to feel deprived of anything. We want to live our best life. When you eliminate things, sometimes in this particular program, we want to eliminate sugar, gluten, alcohol, caffeine, and dairy. But so I don't want you to think about you missing out on anything. I want you to think about what you're gaining. You're going to gain incredible energy. You're going to feel great. I've done this cleanse several times and have done incredibly well. And again, I haven't done it perfectly sometimes. There have been times where I have coffee. So, it's not about perfection. It's about progress. So keep that in mind. But good for you. I just really want to cheer you on because part of this cleanse, it's not just what you put into your body, it's what you put into your mind. So now's the time. In order for you to live your best life, what we are doing is getting your body in a shape that you feel good, you feel vitality, you feel energy. So we're taking care of that. We're really focusing on that this month. But what we're also going to do is train our minds. And this whole journey is all about self-care. It's all about self-love. And I love this topic because as much as I study and practice and help people, I learned for myself that the self-care and the self-love is so important. So I am in the trenches with you. I am excited about building my best self. And remember, it's a journey. It's not a destination. So roll up your sleeves, get ready, believe in yourself, see what is possible, go after whatever it is that you want. But let's do this together and taking care of ourselves and really, really, feeding our souls, feeding our bodies, and feeding our minds with nothing but fresh, clean, beautiful things, okay? Have a great day. Cheering you on. Bye-bye.